Hi, in this video I will be taking you through the process of downloading Makerbot Print app, searching Thingiverse to find a suitable 3D model to print, and saving your 3D model to a USB. Once all these steps are complete, you will be able to put in a request form to Grafton Library to print the model that you have chosen. First, if you're on your home PC, you will need to download Makerbot Print. Simply Google Makerbot Print and then select this link. When you get to this website, you'll be shown a drop-down box and you just need to choose which one to download based on whether you are on a Windows or Apple computer. And then just click download. Once it's finished downloading, open up the file, accept the terms and conditions and click install. Once the installation process is finished, open up Makerbot Print. You will need to create your own account by clicking sign up, which will direct you to Makerbot's website. Fill out your details and click continue. And there we go. After signing up, reopen Makerbot Print app and log into your new account. Once Makerbot opens, you will see an empty square where your 3D model will sit once you download it. To download a model, you just need to click on this T icon here, which will make you go directly to Thingiverse. On Thingiverse, you can use the search bar to find a model you're specifically interested in. For example, I wish to print a Baby Yoda. As you can see, Baby Yoda is very popular, which means there will be a lot of feedback concerning the model's printability. To ensure the model will print correctly, you should check the description and printer settings to ensure that they are compatible with the library's 3D printer. If your model is fragile, it's also suggested that you ensure that it has a raft and necessary supports, which will stop it from collapsing during the printing. Checking out the comments, they seem mainly positive, with only a few concerns about the right hand not printing very well. You need to make sure that you understand that any faults that occur after the model has been printed is not the library's fault, since we're just printing the file you gave us. Regardless of whether your model turns out incorrect, you're still required to pay for the filament used. To see further proof if your model is sturdy, you should also look at the makes, which show examples of other Yoda people have printed. When you're absolutely sure of the model you want, just click on the Thing files and select the STL file. Ignore any other file types like OBJs. You should also make sure that it's the complete model and not just the eyes or the base. Now click download and open up your file on Makerbot Print. And there he is! Now to find out how long it will take you to print this Baby Yoda, you must select a printer. Mine's already been selected, but if you're new to Makerbot Print, you will need to select the tab down here to add a printer. Click Add an Unconnected Printer, Replicator X, and then export to a USB to save the file. I'm going to call this one Baby Yoda. And there's the time, 2 hours and 55 minutes, so it would cost me $9 all up. Lastly, now that you know the time, you can fill out the 3D printing form. Once you hand in the filled out form and USB to the library staff, you will eventually get a notification about when your model is available to be picked up, just like this little fellow here. As you can see, there's a bit of excess filament on his hand, but not to worry, it's an easy fix of just snipping away at it. I think he looks very cute and is well worth the $9. Thanks for watching. If you wish to know more or download the 3D printing form, just click the link in the description below, where you will be directed to the library's website. The form can also be picked up at Grafton Library. I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact Grafton Library.